All right, hey, we're gonna make a tequila sunrise in honor of Don Henley. I don't know, is Don still alive? Dead? Well, I don't know. But, you know, if he's dead, it's probably because him and the Eagles did a lot of this while they was making their tequila sunrise. So I'm gonna sugar the rim, get some ice, get us a shaker cup, orange juice. Orange, Annette Funicello. We're not gonna put vodka in that. We didn't even put vodka in the Bloody Mary. So we're gonna use tequila. About an ounce. Give it a good shake. Make this thing sound shaky because I didn't put no ice in it. Will you leave the strainer on there? Strain out the pulp. Not the Pope, but the Pope. Now here is where the sunrise comes in. Watch it now. It's an orange slice with a cherry. Hey, thanks for watching. That's a tequila sunrise. I'll see you at Rehab.